So here's how to create links to your portals. Assuming that someone has the app, they won't work just on the website, because it needs to have the app to load it. So when you go in here and you create your portals after adding up your artwork, it generates this QR code here. So this one's associated with this portal with these paintings in, and this one with these paintings. And if you click on the link, it says open QR code here. You can see that this is a program that generates it, and after it says data equals, you've got this other bit which is AR portal / portal blah blah blah, and then this ID is the ID for your particular portal here. So if you take everything after data equals and copy that, just paste it in here for now. So that will be a link there to your website. So if you want to paste it on a site or put it inside a web page, that should open up if someone clicks on it. As you can see, it's not the same as a normal HTTP protocol, so other things won't recognize AR art portal : it's only recognizable on the device itself, which basically says launch the app, this app here, because I register this protocol inside of the app, and then the other bit says where to go to find that bit of artwork. So that's basically how that works. The other option is you can store the QR code in it, and they just shine their phone on it, and you open the camera app, point it at that, and it will open up their particular portal. But it only works obviously if you have the app installed. Otherwise it will just go, I don't know what this is. So you can't really share it publicly if people don't have the app. You've got to sort of tell them they need the app to download it. So that's it.